Hello there, wanna know how you can do this? I'll show you how you can decorize any phone case with just a few materials. Easy, quick, and of course pretty. So let's get started without further ado. First off, you need a piece of clear plastic. It should not be too thin. It can be from an old packaging or a transparent cover. Take a look around, I'm sure you've already something like this at home. Now you gotta measure the clear plastic to your phone case size, cut the shape roughly first and then lay it inside to get the best measures, especially around the camera. Cut. Take your time though, you wanna have clean edges. And yes, sorry, the plastic is a little scratchy, it's just an example here, no big deal. Next up, draw your chosen design on paper, adjust and tape it to the back of the clear plastic. As you can see, I've chosen one of the hearts from the Love Yourself album. Make sure it's on the right side. Kind of needless to say, but I don't want you to forget about it. You'll need adhesive milk now. Line your design with it. I find it easiest to apply the milk with an embossing stylus rather than with a brush. If you don't own this already, use a bobby pin instead. FYI, adhesive milk is once dried sticky and will make transfer foil or gold leaf stick to it. Any thin adhesive milk will do. There are also adhesive pens out there, but I'd recommend not to use these here. The adhesive is just not strong enough for that. Okay, wait for it to dry. Shouldn't take more than a few minutes and you're ready to apply the transfer foil. My choice was a whole one. I'll link all the materials in the description box below if you want to check them out. Now make sure to press the transfer foil tightly on the lines. The embossing stylus helps tremendously here. Once you're done, it's time for the big reveal. If this ain't pretty, I don't know what. You can beautify the look of your phone in such an easy way. Awesome, huh? Well, now that you know how to do it, I'll show you a little extra. A lot of people like to put photo cards inside their phone case, right? How about empathize them too? You can frame them or add little line arts to it. Get creative, there are endless possibilities. Okay, hope you guys liked it and maybe you'll try this simple DIY too. Until next time, bye bye.